Alright, so we are going to add an item as a supplier. So here is the supplier dashboard, which shows your name, where you are, the different suppliers that you have, payment status. So if you've paid for annual subscription, which is 11,800, so here it's complete. How many farmers have viewed you this month? Okay, so here it's for add item. Okay, show status, and then review bids made to you by buyers or farmers. So there are three categories, which is non-equipment. Those are things that so not equipment. Then equipment like tractors, pangers, gumboots, and then research and information. So if you have any kind of information that you would give to farmers or any research concerning produce, or if you're an agronomist, you would put your research in here. So when we're going to add item, and they're saying how many items are you paying for? Let's say I'm going to pay for one. I want to add a non-equipment. So we click there. So the total is 5,900 for every item that you add to advertise. So click, which will open the payment gateway. But you can pay with MTN, Airtel, Visa, or Easy Money. So I have an MTN number, so I'm going to put in my number. When I do that, I click proceed, which will bring this to put in. So you click add item, and you come here. So what's the title of your item? Here you put the name of your fertilizer, or the seeds that you are going to advertise. So let me say I'm going to advertise beans. Currency is in UGX, which is fine. Price, I'm going to sell bean seeds. I'm going to sell a kg at 1,500. Quantity, I have 3,000 kgs. Units is going to be in kilograms. What category? So is it an equipment? No, it's not an equipment. Is it a non-equipment? Yes, it's a non-equipment. Information and research, of course, bean seeds are not information and research, so it's a non-equipment. What category is it? So you see in the non-equipment there is this: herbicides, pesticides, fertilizers, others, in case your subcategory is not there. So I'm going to say seeds. What is the bid expiry? So when should this bid end? You can say it can end on October 10th. Yeah. Then the description. These are new red beans. So you have got description so the farmers know what your produce or product you're putting is about. So we're going to add an image, but you can just click and you select the image that you want to use. Okay, let's add our produce. And now, as you can see, non-equipment has been added.